Hi there, welcome back to another video. Now we're not at home, so we're using an iPhone today, so hopefully the sound quality is okay. I'm sure the video quality will be fine because it's an iPhone, isn't it? So it's a taste test video, taste test Tuesday, although it's not actually Tuesday, but it might be when we post this video. Today we're going to try some mint Dairy Milk fingers, and since we're in the same theme, some mint chocolate buttons as well. Got a cup of tea. I've already opened these mint fingers, I'm afraid. So we'll try them first. Right, do they smell like mint? Taste test one. They don't. They don't smell like mint.
Don't.
No, not really. I can't even taste mint. Well,
Ain't got COVID, have you?
no, hope not. Cup of tea. The mint's very sort of subtle if it is there, but I can't taste it.
Yeah, give me one.
You have one.
Could you smell it?
Not really.
No, I can smell it.
I can't really.
It's not very strong.
It's not very strong, is it? I thought that. So yeah, 5 out of 10. I'm afraid.
Taste. No.
Doesn't taste like mint at all. I'm giving it 5 out of 10 because I like chocolate fingers. That's the only reason. But they don't taste like mint. They just taste like plain. They're disappointing.
Yeah, not.
Right, come on. We've got Dairy Milk buttons. Dairy Milk buttons are amazing. Come on, give me mint. Still don't smell mint. Let me chuck 3 in.
Taste it. Don't do that.
Why? I was seeing if I could get them
I
in.
know, but I haven't.
I don't know.
You don't know. Right, go on.
Still can't get bloody mint.
You see, it's a little bit.
How hard is it to put some mint oil on some chocolate? It's pretty disappointing, Cadbury's.
It is.
I have to say, this is another 5 out of 10, I'm afraid.
5 out of 10. Oh.
Yeah, because I like
Yeah.
chocolate buttons, but
Need a bit more mint flavour
I
in
can
that.
sort of smell.
It is
I can
there.
sort of smell, but I just can't taste it.
I can taste it. Just a little bit more, maybe.
No. The orange ones were really quite nice and strong. I can taste the orange, but I just cannot taste the mint.
I can taste the mint now,
I can't really, not strong.
but not very strong.
They're both getting 5 out of 10 because chocolate fingers is nice, chocolate buttons is nice, but these ain't very minty at all. I want more mint. I want it to hit me in the face. If you're calling it mint, I want it to go mint like that. Know what I mean? But it's just not mint. So that's it. So there we go. Like, subscribe. We'll be back for another taste test next Tuesday, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Tell us what you think if you taste them.